I have a Kenmore Elite Oasis dryer that won't start, model number 110.6706266000. When you press the power button, all the lights on the panel come on, but nothing happens when you press start. What could potentially be causing this problem, and how expensive would it be to repair it?
Thanks for counting on us to help with your appliance problem. My name is XXXXX I look forward to helping you. Do you hear a click from the control area when you attempt to start it, even though it will not start? May I please have your model number so I am able to provide you with accurate, model-specific information? Kelly.
Yes, I do hear a click. Model number 110.6706266000.
Great, thank you. Do you have a meter to test with?
No. Not sure what you are talking about.
Okay, no problem. We can work around that. There is a thermal fuse in the dryer that has likely opened. If it opens, power to the motor cannot be obtained. You will need to disassemble the dryer to access this thermal fuse. It is number 59 in the picture and requires considerable disassembly to access. Would you like disassembly instructions?
Sure.
Great. Be sure to unplug the dryer or turn the breaker off. First, you will need to use a putty knife to release the clips that hold the top panel down. They are about 2 to 3 in from each side, between the top and front panel. Once released, the top will hinge up and rest on the wall behind the dryer. Once the top is up, there is a 5/16 of an inch screw on the back of the front panel, near the top. Remove those screws, unplug the door switch and remove the front panel. Once the front panel is removed, you will see 4 5/16 of an inch screws attaching the front bulkhead to the cabinet. Remove the bottom 2 and loosen the top 2. Lift the front bulkhead up, remove it and set it aside. The thermal fuse looks like the picture below. You may be able to access it without removing the drum, which would be easiest. If you can, since you don't have a meter to test with, you will need to remove the wires and tape them together. Put the dryer back together and see if it starts. Let me know what happens. Kelly 41082.6874525581.
Could you either email me a copy of the picture with the fuse as an attachment, or fax it to me at 3034X? I tried to print a copy of it, and could not get the entire image to print. Thanks.
I am sorry, we are not allowed to do anything outside of this thread. The link below is to the thermal fuse, it may print better for you. Thermal fuse.
I was able to print this image fine. I'm having difficulty printing the image that had the numbers on it, indicating where the fuse is located, number 59.
Here is a link to it. Click here.
Thank you.
You bet, keep me posted on your progress. If it works after taping those wires together, you will need to replace that fuse. If not, we can proceed.
I do not see a link for me to rate my experience. Where do I do this?
I will send it to you, thanks. I would appreciate the highest rating you believe I deserve. If you need more information, I am here to help you. Rating my answer is the only way I receive credit for helping you. If you need additional help or clarification, please let me know before rating my answer. I will work to earn your highest rating. You may refer back to this question for as long as necessary after rating, at no additional charge, until your problem is resolved.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.